Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give an update on my portfolio. So right now my portfolio is at $47,716.89. Today I'm down $2,292. That's a 4.58% loss. And nothing's changed. Honestly, the only reason I'm doing these on a fairly frequent basis is because viewers keep on asking me, hey, how's your stocks doing? How's your portfolio doing? But me personally, I think it's super unimportant what's happening in the short term, day to day in my portfolio. There's a reason why I'm doing spreads that expire at the end of the year. Like, I don't need to constantly keep an eye on how my portfolio is doing until we get closer to the end of the year. But people are curious, they're curious how my portfolio is doing in the short term. So that's why I'm making these updates. All right, so we got the IPOD. Well, 7.5 $10 call debit spread. Right now, IPOD is above $10, so it's where I want it to be. Expiration date, October 15th. Total return, I'm up 26.25%. So IPOD spread is going very well. Affirm, it's weird. So if we look at Affirm, it went up today, went up 5.56% while the market was open, and afterwards it was all over the place. I mean, it took a dump and then it went back up again, then took a dump again, then went back up again. It was pretty volatile after hours. That's because they had their earnings, right? Where was it? Yeah. And, there's really not an estimate because they just IPO'd recently. But they reported an earnings of negative $1.06 per share. And I could replay the earnings call if I want to on Robinhood, but I'm not gonna do that for this video. So yeah. How long has the firm been out? Let's see. Okay, this was back in, what was this? Listed on January 13th, 2021. Okay, so January of this year. So not that long. Anyways, so they reported negative $1.06, right? And I mean, it could have been worse. At least a firm didn't dump that hard. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. We pulled the band-aid off. Now we know what their earnings are. I looked into it. I think there's definitely more to the story. I think the amount of users of a firm grown. I didn't really have a chance to look at it today, but just from the glimpses that I've seen, I think they've grown in some ways, but just reported negative earnings. But it's okay. We'll see how people react to this. I think it's a little too early to tell. I'm just going to give time for people to digest the news that they learned in their earnings. But Affirm, my spreads, I got a $45.50 call debit spread expiring November 19th. Total return, I'm down 24.11%. It's the $40, $60 call debit spread. Expiration date, November 19th. I'm down 23.74%. They're both above my break-even prices. The break-even price for this spread is $48.36. And the break-even for this spread is $52.20. Right now it's at 56, so both my Affirm spreads are above their break-even prices, so I'm not worried for now. VABA, I got the 210, 220 call debit spread. Expiration date, November 19th. Total return, I'm up 1.12%. BABA, $195, $200 call debit spread. Expiring November 19th. Total return, I'm up 7.35%. Right now, Baba's at 219. So while it's going well for the 195-200 spread, the 210-220, the break-even price for this is 215. So it is above the break-even price. But we'll see what happens. It's a little close. I'm thinking of maybe getting rid of the 210-220 call debit spread early if I get a short-term jump, but we'll see. Depends how confident I am in BABA. They report soon, this week I believe, on the 13th. Let me check. Wait, where is it? I believe they report on the 13th, their earnings. Let me see. So yeah, available May 13th, pre-market. Estimated $1.78 per share. Well, we'll see how that goes. Hopefully BABA does not go too far down, but we'll see. Some people think it's going to go down to 200. Some people say it could run up to 260. Everyone's got their different opinions. We won't know for sure until the 13th, I guess. All right, GSAH. Gosh, what's with my internet today? It's just, I have Cox internet, and the service around here it's pretty bad. They are announcing that they're doing maintenance to improve the service to handle the higher load because of the pandemic. A lot of people have been staying home more and using internet more, and that puts a strain on the system. So they're doing something so they could handle the higher load. But gosh, as it is right now, it's not that good. My internet is just not that good. So GSAH 7.5, 12.5 call debit spread, expiring November 19th. Total return, I'm down 4.09%. The break-even price is $9.70. Right now it's at $10.20. I'm pretty fine with that. IPOF 7.5, $10 call debit spread. Expiration date December 17th. Total return 2.94%. IPOF 7.5, 12.5 call debit spread. Expiring December 17th. Total return, I'm up 8.08%. ARCX, I want to get rid of this so badly. Plus, Cathie Wood is under fire right now because a lot of people are criticizing her for how she's treating her fund's performance. Not this one, ARC Invest. A lot of people are paying attention to that fund, and it's not been doing well. And people say that Cathie Wood is being a little unrealistic about the returns she expects, but we'll see what happens. This one is not tanking as much, but it is going down a little bit. Right now, ARCX is at $19.89. So this is the $15, $21 call debit spread, expiring January 20th, 2023. So long time from now. The break-even price is $18.62. So at least ARCX is above the break-even price right now. Total return, I'm down 8.84%. If there's a short-term pop, I want to maybe get rid of this. It's not... yeah, ARC is just not doing that well right now, but we'll see what happens. Lastly, PSTH. $15, $25 call debit spread, expiring January 20th, 2023. The break-even price is only $18.88. Right now, PSTH is at $23.25. So it's above the break-even price. I'm not too worried about this. Plus, this has plenty of time left before 2023. Total return, I'm up 1.94%. I'm probably going to hold on to this for a while. I want to add to it, honestly. But yeah, that's it. That's my portfolio. No stocks, only options and spreads. If we look at the actual list of the underlying stocks, most of them were red today. A lot of them went down like 2% or more, so crazy. crazy red day. And I checked the futures already. The futures look red too, so there might be more pain up ahead this week. The only thing that was green today was a firm. Thank goodness for that. But yeah, like I said, me personally, I don't care about any of this. It's just for you guys. It's just for the viewers who request it. But I mean, my spreads expire at the end of the year, not anytime soon. So I don't really care how things are really performing in the short term. I'm just waiting right now for time to pass. But yeah, there it is. That's my portfolio. It's around 47,000 right now. And we'll see what happens. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.